Hello everyone, my name is Eleonora and I'm an Italian watercolorist. So in this class we are going to talk about how to paint a sky. The sky is the most important thing in a painting because it sets the mood of the whole painting, and if you have a very good sky, there are very good chances that all the finished watercolor will be a great success. But if the sky comes out in a very horrible or not satisfying way, you'd better to throw everything in the bin and start all over again. So, in this class, we will paint together this project, and I will teach you not only which colors are very suitable for painting all kind of sky, not only sunset, but also rainy sky or all the kind of atmospheres that you want to capture when you're painting a sky. I will show you also my tips and tricks that I use for lifting the clouds, for painting very soft shades of the clouds as well. And if you want to learn all of my secrets about painting a sky, grab your brushes, your colors, your paper, and let's do this.